So we're here, back at it again, to teach you some math. Some lovely, lovely math. And today it is the average rate of change. So the average rate of change of a function over the initial AB is given by f parentheses b minus f parentheses a over b minus a. Alright. Cool. Now we have our problem here. Oh goodness, color. What's going on? Cool. F parentheses x equals negative 16x to the power of 2 plus 144. So, the first two is represented by the interval. I know how to read. 0, 2. Find f2 and f0. So it's pretty much f2, f0. So, how are we gonna figure out the average rate of change? Well, we're gonna do f parentheses x equals negative 16x to the power of 2 plus 144. And then we're slowly going to break it down. So this x is going to be a 2, and this x is going to be a 2. So with that in mind, fx, well, f parentheses 2 equals negative 16 to the power of 2 plus 144. So if we get those together, we get 80. And then if we do this, but make that to its own separate thing, we make this x 0, we would get 1, 4, 4. Now we're gonna subdate the values into average rate of change, into the average rate of change formula. So, oh goodness, I zoomed out. F parentheses b minus f parentheses a over b minus a equals f parentheses 2 minus f parentheses 0 over 2 minus 0. So, with that in mind, we would get 80 minus 1, 4, 4 over 2 minus 0. And putting those together, we get negative 32. And the composition shows God, I love being dyslexic. Composition shows a value of negative 32. It's negative becomes the object it is falling. However, you'd say the object's average speed is 32 feet per second. My goodness. Words. So it would be 32 ft. That's not a T. That's also not an S. That's not the direction you do an S. There we go. Yay! Yippee! We've got it done. So that's the average rate of change out of the initial format. Yippee!